Hello friends, I am Ramesh Areja, working with Union Bank of India, Central Office, Operations Department. We at Operations Department are determined to make you aware about doorstep banking. Because once you are aware, then only you will be able to make your customers aware regarding this service. Now what is doorstep banking? Doorstep banking is a initiative taken by a PSB Alliance. Now you may ask, what is PSB Alliance? PSB Alliance is nothing but an umbrella of 12 public sector banks who are giving these services to the customers, who are giving a variety of services. PSB Alliance is nothing but an umbrella of 12 banks and which is formed by Government of India under the ease reforms. So basically doorstep banking is an initiative by PSB Alliance under which they will be providing various banking facilities right at the doorstep of the customers. Now this is very useful service for all the customers, those who cannot visit the branches. It is very useful during this COVID period and this pandemic period, and it is implemented across 100 centers by doorstep banking agents throughout the country for providing various banking facilities. Now PSB Alliance have engaged service providers, that is Atyati and Integra Microsystem Private Limited. These two service providers are engaged who will be providing these doorstep banking services to the customers. Now with regard to doorstep banking, there are two types of services. One is financial service and the next one is non-financial service. First we will see what is non-financial service. Under non-financial services there are two types of services: pickup service and delivery service. Under pickup service, an agent will visit a customer place and will pick up the required documents and will deliver it to the branch. So under pickup service, an agent can pick up a check which the customer wants to deposit in his account, demand draft, or he can pick up a check requisition slip for new checkbook, for issuing new checkbook. He can pick up 15G, 15H forms. He can pick up any other request, any other standing instruction which is issued by the branch, issued by the customer to the branch. Next is delivery system. Under this, account statement can be delivered. You can say the gift cards can be delivered, DD can be delivered, term deposit can be delivered, Form 16 or TDS certificate which we issue to the customers, that can be delivered right at the doorstep of the customers. So this was regarding the non-financial services. Now with regard to financial services, there is a cash withdrawal, there is a cash deposit. Cash withdrawal, under cash withdrawal, and banking correspondent will visit the customer place and will, through other authentication or through ATM card, he will give the cash to the customer. Cash deposit will be implemented from 15th of November 2020. Presently it is not implemented, it is not launched as of now. Another important service which is right there in this app is submission of digital life certificate. This is the month for submission of life certificate. So pensioner can go to the app and see the others option. I mean, there are three options: pickup, delivery, cash services, and there is other options. Even when he click the other option, then he can fill his pension account and he can submit the certificate there itself. Once the request is raised, agent will go to the customer's place and will collect the certificate. So that is how the submission of digital certificate is in this app. Now all these services are provided at a very minimum price of 75 rupees plus GST, that becomes around 89 or 90 rupees. There is a time, this is a time bound activity, so definitely the TAD is being measured, TAD is being regulated, I mean it is seen by the top authorities what is the time taken. Any request generated by the customer before 3 PM on a particular day will have to be responded within 3 hours of raising the request. If the request is raised after 3 PM, it will be answered on the next day before 1 PM. That is for the turnaround time period. Now there is a service area for the agents. Agents can move around 5 to 10 kilometers of the area subject to the accessibility of that area. Now these were the things, and now the customer can download the app, the flow chart, the process to avail these services. Customer can download the app. There, as I told you, there are two service providers, Atyati and Integra. Now this is the duty of we branch people to educate the customer who is the service provider active in our area. If the service provider is Atyati, then the customer has to download the Atyati app, Atyati PSB app, that is DSBX, sorry, doorstep banking app, And if the service provider is Integra, then doorstep banking powered by Integra has to be downloaded. Then only he can avail these services. Once he log into app, he will be getting an OTP, then his accounts will be fetched, and then he can raise whatever request you want to raise. These were the things you can, a customer can download the app. The link is on your screen, with which you can download. The customer can download the app. Then it can also be customer can also avail these services to other universal touch points, which is web portal, and the link for both the Atyati as well as Integra is on your screen, right? And the third one is through call center. Customer can also avail these services by calling on a toll-free number or a call center, which is again different for Atyati and different for Integra. So guys, this is the short video which we have prepared to educate you regarding our doorstep banking services. And also, one thing you need to understand and you need to remember is if customer has already downloaded the app, since you already know the cash services are implemented from 1st of November. So if customer has downloaded the app before 1st of November, then they have to update the app. An update in the Play Store. When they will update the app, automatically live certificate and cash services will be shown there. So this is it. In case of any query, you can always contact us, and we are there at Operations Department to help you and solve your queries. We will be making further videos on this topic and other topics as well. Thank you for your time.